Welcome back, everybody. This is Ryan. How we doing tonight? It is gonna be a late night for me. I am out here working on my 13B, getting it ready to be finished, torn down for, well, to figure out what's wrong with it. It was leaking oil, and I don't know why. I haven't found out why it's leaking oil yet. I cleaned it up a little bit just to check the housings and stuff, but still no luck on finding out why it was leaking. So tonight we're gonna finish tearing it down. Not gonna spend too much longer into it. I did make a flywheel stopper. I don't know if you want to call it, and I already did loosen this up because I wasn't sure if I was gonna need to heat it or not. So pretty cool. I spent about $17 on this, making I don't know, flywheel stopper. Basically it sits on the dowels right here. And then I got a couple washers, and I had a little steel plate from my other job that they're just going to throw away. And I got some conduit as a spacer and some 3-inch bolts with the same thread pitch, and just made it easier on myself instead of trying to buy one. I know I might make like a kit later on down the road if it works out pretty well, but we'll see. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. Holy cow, that was rough. An engine stand with that plate would make this job so much easier when you're tearing it apart. I ran into issues, one, because I didn't really know quite how to do it, so I was kind of guessing. I had to look up a few things to see how I was supposed to come apart, because I was getting confused of why it wasn't coming, but I got it. So I got everything on this table from the engine, like the block itself, from internally. So only thing I'm confused on is because I found when I first took it apart off of this side, there's these two, and I'm not gonna say what they are because I don't think I'm calling them right. They're side. I'm thinking side seals, but I could be wrong. So I need to find where it went, because I don't understand why there's not one there. But because it should have 3 on each side of the rotor and like that. So it might have fell. And then this one has like, I don't know if I can get in there to see it. Let me turn this light on. That's better. Okay. So this one has like a weird spot on it, which maybe we can get it. I can get it turned. I don't really know. I'll have to look up. I think you can get housings. I don't know if you can turn housings or not. I'll have to find out. But everything else looks pretty decent. There's just that one spot. There's a lot of carbon buildup on the rotors themselves, but you know, I guess that's normal. Maybe a little more red lines would help it. But I didn't find anything that would raise a red flag of why it's leaking oil. I still have to go through my tub over there to figure out maybe if something in there was causing the leak. But other than that, I don't see any cracks on the housings. Maybe the coolant, the oil seal line was broke, but that doesn't mean I didn't break it when I was taking it apart. So I was trying to be as careful as I could so I can find out, but they're definitely kind of hard, I guess. But anyways, I'm not trying to drag this out too long, but this is a torn apart 13B. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me what I did wrong, give me some pointers or what I did right. You know, definitely gonna order that part to help assemble it, but as of right now I'm just gonna clearance everything, and maybe we'll play around with the body, do some brakes and stuff like that. I got a brake booster delete to do on there, and add a brake bias valve. So we're gonna keep rolling along with this and do stuff to the speed and the 8 and the G and have some fun. See you guys. Have a great night.